Hey guys, Tony Animatronics here, and today we have another unboxing. Now, this is another singing fish. I love this thing. I've wanted this style fish for a very long time, and I finally got one. This fish is probably the most expensive fish. Like, I've never paid more for a fish than this. It was a bit pricey, but it's not. It wasn't too bad for what it is, so I'm not regretting it too much price wise. For the item, I'm not regretting it at all, but since the price was a bit, it wasn't the best. It was just a bit, just a bit weird paying this much. Now, he sticky taped the hell out of this, so just bear with me here. There we go. There we go. It's open. I'll have to see the box a little bit. Alright, let's just make sure. That is awesome. He packed it really well so the box stayed in nice shape. Let's turn it around. Billy mouth. Very rare fish. People don't understand how rare this actually is. Like, there was a time where you could never find these on eBay. Like, I mean never. Like, no collectors even had it. But then they started popping up, and that's when they started to become a bit more common. So they're not common by all means, but they do pop up very rarely. Like I said, he packed it pretty well, so I'm thankful for that. Oh, that's sick. That's nice. Yeah, the stand is broken. I will get one 3D printed, hopefully. But as you can see, it's just gutted. It's just gutted. So, So his plug is very thin. Head still worked, I think, but it had a split ear. But let's see what else. Oh yeah, this is the thing I heard in the box. Yeah, just the other piece for the. I'll put that stand aside, cause but there's the fish itself. They're pretty heavy actually. They seem pretty well made besides the circuit boards. I mean, the circuit boards don't fry or anything. It's just they're a bit, like their wires are a bit thin and they're a bit small. But I mean, it's not a big deal. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. This is the unboxing of Billy Mouth. As you can see, very nice condition. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.